In this session, I will talk about some very old names related to Korea. One is Joseon and the other is Dongi. Comparing the two names, Joseon was and is the name of real kingdoms historically, whereas Dongi is an umbrella term that refers to an unspecified variety of peoples rather than the name of specific kingdom, state, or community for most of the period where it was used.
원효라는 인물의 이름은 원래부터 원효가 아니고 새벽이라는 뜻의 어떤 고대어였다고 이해를 했습니다. 근데 이 새벽이라는 뜻의 고대어는 시단, 서당, 세부 등등 다양한 베리에이션이 있지만 현재로서는 정확하게 알 수 없는 굉장히 거칠고 촌스러운 소리로 발음되던 단어였다는 거죠. 그렇게 만들어진 한자 단어들은 막상 새벽이라는 뜻을 가지고 있지는 않은 거고요.
Buddhism was accepted and appreciated fairly voluntarily during the Three Kingdoms period and grew explosively among lay people as well as intellectuals on the Korean peninsula. Ancient Koreans were exposed to Confucianism and Buddhism long ago, but it was only after the 4th century CE that Confucian schools and Buddhist temples were officially accepted. In the case of Buddhism, therefore, development in Korea and development in China occurred almost simultaneously.